Hello, welcome to EngineerComic Free Your Imagination. Okay, let's continue our project. Previous video, we made the profile of the engine block. And then in this video, we will extract this and make any, uh, like the cylinder for the piston. With the extract command, we make it 482.6 for the extraction, and then we make any hole or like a cylinder for the piston, like I said before. Okay, let's watch this. First, we use the center line to make the circle. Then we will cut extract this. We will make holes for the cylinder that we need for the car engine. 292.1 as uh the dimension of the center line, and we use the circle command to make the circle, and then we will cut extra like I said before and make the this like that circle. We make three circle to use as the cylinder of the piston of the car engine, and then we make the diameter of it, and the diameter for every circle we make it as 127.00. Okay guys, let's start it. And then what we will do next, let's see, we cut extract this. We are going to make other circle from the outside of this hole and make it like like this, like this. We use the center of this three circle, make the diameter is same as S1. 100 152.4 for the circle, for out the outside circle, and then 193.98, 183.9 for the for the outside other outside circle. Make a mini circle like this and make the diameter at 20.65. We use the we use the circle pattern to copy this little circle, this mini circle. Okay, we call it mini circle. It sounds better than I said before, little circle. And make it like this. Click this circle and click the center and make the four copy of it. Okay guys, this is the end of my videos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to wait for the next part. Thank you very much.